Hi everybody. We are the students of Vivekananda Institute of Management Studies, Coimbatore.
We are here to do a human resource simulation video on the topic HR audit and HR accounting. Myself, Vishnu.
I am Rijo.
I am Shyam Kumar.
I am Rahul.
Before entering to HR auditing and HR accounting, we should discuss about human resource management. Human resource management is the process of planning, controlling, organizing and managing the HR aspects of the organization efficiently and effectively. Human resource is one of the most important aspects of every organization. Without human resource management, a company cannot be functioned smoothly. Let's discuss about HR auditing. HR auditing is the process of evaluating the effectiveness and efficiency of HR functions in the organization. It is concerned with the examination and evaluation of policies, procedures and practices with reference to human resource of the organization. It is the periodic review to measure the efficiency and effectiveness of human resource management.
Now, let's discuss about the objectives of HR auditing. Reviewing the entire system of acquiring and developing, allocating and utilizing the human resources in an organization. That means HR auditing review the entire organization for acquiring, developing, allocating and utilizing the human resources in the organization for decision making purposes. Seeking explanation and information relating to HR of the organization is another important objective of human resource audit. That is, first they want to seek explanation and information relating to the human resources from the human resources in an organization. The third point is evaluating the level of implementation of human resource policy and programs. Whether the implemented human resource policy is successful in an organization. That should be evaluated by HR audit. The last and most important objective is appraising those engaged in implementing the HR policies. The persons who are engaged in implementing these HR policies must be appraised so that they can develop these HR policies and develop the process of auditing.
Now we can discuss about HR accounting. HR accounting is the process of identifying and reporting investment made in the HR of an organization that are presently unaccounted for in the conditional accounting practices. It is an extension of standard accounting principles measuring the value of a human resource can assist organizations in accurately document their assets.
So let's have a look onto the various objectives of human resource accounting. The human resource accounting process was established to fulfill a number of objectives within the organization. These include to furnish cost value information for making proper and effective management decisions about acquiring, allocating, developing and maintaining human resources in order to achieve cost-effective organizational objectives. To monitor effectively the use of human resources by the management. To have an analysis of the human asset, that is whether such assets are conserved, depleted or appreciated. To aid in the development of management principles and proper decision making for the future by classifying financial consequences of various practices. These are the main objectives of the human resource accounting.
Now, let us discuss about the applications of HR auditing.
Yeah. When we are discussing or when we are saying about the application of HR auditing, we should say about the application of HR audit in the motivation. Giving a motivation. So the HR auditing is helpful in motivation.
I think in HR planning also.
Yeah,
HR audit is very important in HR planning.
So we are planning the HR. So HR auditing is
And also in the field of promotion and transfer.
Just we said that HR planning.
Yes.
When we do HR planning, we understand about whether
to promote the right kind of employees.
It is. applicable.
Another important point is communication.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, communication system is a very important point. And actually, I am going to say that point. Okay, and I think when
Training purpose.
Yeah, training purpose.
Auditing is very important in training because who needs training? It is identified through.
It's very good. It is very crucial question in the organization. Who need a training? And we can identify through HR planning and auditing.
What do you think about the performance management?
Yeah, performance
Yes.
of course.
Assessing the performance of employees.
It is how
It's
he
our
or
own-
she or works in the organization.
It is done through HR auditing.
It's a very good point. And without that, we can. Performance appraisal is one of the most important of human resource management.
Yes.
And for recruitment and selection purpose.
Yeah, recruitment is another good one point. In recruitment also we use the auditing because we are dealing with the finding out the efficiency and effectiveness of employees. So we can understand what type of recruitment policies we need to adopt and how people should be selected, how it should be discussed. So it is, and I think to understand the job satisfaction.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Whether the employees are satisfied with their job.
Only satisfied employees will give us more benefits.
And helps in the growth of the organization.
And the policies and procedures.
Yeah,
Yes.
policies and
procedures
procedures
is also
is nice one. Because policies and procedures is fixed by the top level management. So they are also uses the HR audit.
And sometimes in also for compensation.
Yeah, compensation. Fixing compensation is very important.
And all the people think that HR auditing is related to something what it's not like it's not like an accounting process. It's an evaluation process.
Yes.
And I think in stress management also we
Yeah,
can use
yeah.
stress management also we can use skills.
Now we think that everybody got a clear picture about HR auditing and HR accounting.
So we thank the VIMS management and faculty members for giving us this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you.